Today we talk about how can you add to your list on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is first you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then here you will find any of this box. You will click on it. Then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click on this sign here, just click on it. So when you just click on it, then automatically it's going to add it to your list here on your Tappytown app. So like you see now it's add to your saved list. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.